Despite of your best intentions, your craving always win. You heard me right, I said despite of your best actions, your craving always win. So it happens in your life that you want to overcome cravings but don't know how. So well, if you are listening me for the first time, hi, I am Luminary Coach Charanjit, international NLP trainer, master practitioner NLP and emotional intelligence mentor, being a master practitioner in emotional intelligence, ICF mind coach, and internationally certified wellness nutritionist, and stemming from the impactful educator having more than 27 years of experience in teaching. So here I am with you. We are running an 88 days challenge of building micro habits, daily one habit, and towards that one micro habit, I am assigning a daily practice and giving you your reflection prompt so that you, once you dive into this journey, you will feel yourself knew you before you touch 2026. Now I will walk you through NLP technique, that is SWISH. For that you need not to do NLP. You can keep this tool with you as a remote control whenever you want to be powerful over your any trigger. So just close your eyes. As you close your eyes, think about your triggers and stimulus of cravings. Then imagine the picture big of your cravings in your mind. Now visualize your desired state. As you visualize your desired state, make the picture finest, big, clear, energetic, empowering, confident, and quickly say swish, 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 and swish. By saying swish, swish 5 to 7 times, you are fast forwarding the desired state in your mind. As you run this with full intensity and focus, you will find that triggers have been fade out. So this is how you can use this technique. Remember, your brain is a computer and NLP technique is a software that needs to be rebooted to foster the neurons, rewire the neurons. With this, let's keep the curiosity alive and do this technique whenever you want to be powerful. And once you do this, you will reclaim yourself, you will choose yourself. And today's reflection prompt is keep your hand on your chest and say, I am not of my craving. I am the creator of my response. As you say this, you will be every time more powered and feel empowered and cravings you. That is something old which you have parked off. With this, stay tuned for my next video coming soon and keep the curiosity alive and share this video with your friends, relatives and connects because learning and transformation is a collective journey. See you.